Every product has its own acoustic fingerprint, and capturing it is the foundation of reliable quality control. This setup shows a typical acoustic testing workflow. Here we capture the response of a good motor, followed by the same motor with an intentional imbalance. The device under test, a small electric motor, is measured using a particle velocity probe connected to the AQCURA Tester. While the change may be barely audible, it's clearly visible in the frequency spectrum. The recorded data is automatically processed in AQCURA, where custom algorithms extract key features and feed them into a machine learning model trained to distinguish good from faulty units. This enables instant pass or fail decisions, ensuring consistent quality control for any manufacturing defect. Visit microflown.com to learn more about AQCURA.